What's up, guys? My name is D'Angelo Tu'ua. I'm a family man. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a business owner. I'm a risk taker. I'm just a young Samoan man on a mission. I'm originally from Roscoe South, Auckland, New Zealand. I moved here to Australia back in 2018. When I moved over here, one of my biggest adversities was trying to find my purpose. Now that I know my purpose is in serving others. So I asked myself, how can I serve others? How can I serve others beyond the barbershop? So I started educating myself, reading books more, investing myself into church a lot more. I started praying more, and one of my goals was to build my relationship with God before anyone else. Once I did that, I noticed everything started falling into place for me. And one day I was out in South Bank, I was at work. I was on my lunch break and I went to get some lunch. I saw a homeless person. He was there with his blanket and he had his blanket over his head. So I went over, I thought, man, I'll buy this guy some food. I went over, I tapped him on the shoulder and said, man, you wanna buy some food? He took his blanket off. He was a young Samoan teenager. And for me, that hit home. So we went out for lunch and I told him what happened. And he said, man, my parents kicked me out. And he said, my parents kicked me out because I couldn't find a job. And my father kicked me out. So I moved in with my mother. And not too long after, I couldn't find a job, so my mom kicked me out. So we sat down and I said, look, Oos, I've been through the same struggle, and this is what I've learned. In order for you to grow, you have to take responsibility. You have to be accountable for your actions. And you can't let nothing break you. You know what I mean? You gotta stay strong. But you also gotta understand where your parents are coming from. They want you to find direction, a purpose, and start off by having a job so you can support yourself. Being able to talk to this young man really helped me discover my purpose. And for me, my purpose was to help people. I started evaluating more and more, asking myself, how can I help more people outside the barbershop? I can't reach everyone. Not everyone gets haircuts, you know? So it was important for me to put out some merchandise called Triumphant. And the triumphant meaning is powerful itself. The word itself is empowering. To be triumphant means to fight a battle and overcome it, to conquer anything. So it was only right for me to actually put this on a t-shirt, put it out there for people to give value to people. When people wear triumphant, they feel triumphant. They know that nothing can break me. I'm fearless, I'm limitless. They can overcome adversity. And that's what I wanted to install in people. This is a souvenir of great value that you should wear proudly. You wear triumphant, you feel triumphant. And that's what I wanted to install in people. I wanted to give people something to wear, something that would remind them that whatever life throws at me, I want to smash this and nothing can stop me. Whatever bad happens to me, it's only added value. This is gonna help me grow. This is gonna make me better. Once I evaluated, I got on the phone with my partner and I said to her, we need to get this up and running now. So we started planning. I was looking for designers and whatnot, and I came across Instadash. He's a barber as well. So I hollered at him. I said, look, man, can you whip me up a logo? He gave me a few samples. I said, nah, this is not feeling right. We need to have like an animal, something like that, something that exemplifies being triumphant. So me and my partner were talking and we came up with a phoenix. A phoenix is a long-lived bird that cyclically regenerates, or in other words, is born again. For me, this fit well with the design that Tyrone gave. And I said, man, can you put a phoenix on there? So When you wear this t-shirt, you understand not only being triumphant, but you understand why the Phoenix is there. The Phoenix is there to exemplify to being born again, renewal, regenerating. And basically it goes well with being triumphant because people can make mistakes, right? But we can always learn from our mistakes. We can always get better. Like without having mistakes or without making those mistakes, we have nothing to build off. We can't become better. And that's the purpose behind the brand Triumphant, is that you will come across adversity, but know that you will conquer adversity. And when you conquer adversity, you become triumphant. And that's the blessing in itself. So make sure you order your merch today. Visit our website at www.triumphantmerch.com. Get you a tee, get you a hoodie. Wear triumphant, feel triumphant. Let's go.
If I rule the world, imagine that.